We all have 86,400 seconds or 24 hours in a day. But some of us always feel that we are short of time. Even though we all have same amount of time, but some of us feel that they have enough time and others don't. Today in this video, I want to tell you the reasons why we always feel that we are short of time. Accumulation is the word that only applies on humans. In this world of digital era, we can buy almost anything on internet in just a click. We all are busy in accumulation all the time, from morning to night. Animals are not like that. Have you ever seen any dog or any other animal accumulating stuffs or food? No. We humans try to accumulate everything around us. It could be anything like money, clothes, food, accessories, even knowledge and time. These days, we try to capture moments in cell phones. This habit of accumulation makes us short of time. While accumulating, we forget that everything needs time to manage. Even though we know that we won't be taking it all elsewhere, we are still busy in accumulating all the time. All these made us forget to live right now, right in the moment. This habit of accumulation all around us created a silent mental pressure in our minds to run with the pace. Whenever we are slightly behind from others, we get into panic mode and gets distracted from our usual goals and start running in some other direction along the way. This habit of getting into two-way all the time gets us nowhere. This time we have created a different competition all the line too. We try to keep pace with others on social media also. Some person is going at this many places and I am not. She is posting that he has done something and something. We try to think that are we the only left behind? This makes us underconfident and we lose time even though we had enough. We try to keep ourselves updated with movies and online shows these days too, because if somebody says about anything, we try to show that we know all about that also. Sometimes I think even if I read a book a day, I won't be able to accumulate all the knowledge in the universe. I am and will be sort of one or the other thing all the time. You have to sacrifice one thing for getting another. Whenever we try to get something, we need to have a cushion in our mind, which is why. So always think before accumulating things. So if you liked my video, do hit like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. Thank you and I will see you in the next one.